Hello, this is a brief tutorial on the Cora page tool. When you first open this software, it'll open a browser window complaining about your serial number. You can just close that, go to settings, and enter in your serial number. And then once you do that, it'll say active below and all the user interface will become enabled. Next, we want to choose our output folder. So the place where you've been saving your Cora reports. Okay. And what this tool does is it randomly generates a web page that is generally tuned to a Cora report. So just in a basic way. So if we pick a keyword like DUI lawyer Los Angeles from September 19th of this year, and we say go. Let me make this window larger. We can see that it made navigation, it is putting images on the page, it's headings, it's making things bold, it's tuning in our keywords. And essentially what it's doing is it's making a highly optimized random page. So if you've ever seen Kyle Roof's work where he takes a lorem ipsum Latin boilerplate page and keyword tunes it for like SEO contests, things of that nature. This is like that, but on steroids. There's videos, some rating schema, even trust links at the bottom, things of that nature. It's all in there. And what we have is the source for this randomly generated optimized page. And this is going to be a great tool for just doing simple experimentation. So it's really made for primary researchers and SEO. And there's a score here. So we have a score of 100%. We can see our over optimizations. So maybe we want to dial those down in the source. Maybe we're okay with that. And you can just keep hitting the go button and randomly regenerate, and your actual scores will change because each page is a little bit different. And sometimes you'll be a little below 100%, sometimes you'll be at 100%. If you are, just keep regenerating the page until you get scores that you like. So the text is created from Spintax templates. So you can use these defaults or you can add your own. So you can have it randomly generate pages that have language flavor the way you like it. With images, you just put in the links to the images that you want to have randomly inserted. Same thing with videos, so you can use the YouTube code, the short YouTubes, or the embed or the watch URLs. So those all work. You can modify the CSS of the page on this tab. There's the additional head blocks, so if you need to put in any scripting or tracking, you can put it in there. This is special HTML, so you need to maintain this HTML structure, but you can template out how many variants you want. So notice that there's different keywords here. So the variants will use the match words from the report and pick a random one. And let's look at the Spintax, see if we see the keyword in there. Variant, these all look variant based. then in the head, stop words let you filter out any keywords that you don't want to use in the match words. And then your header and footer for the top and bottom of the page. So you can customize those the way you want. And then you can export these settings to a file and then re-import them later. So if you're dealing with multiple templates, you can save your work and recall it using the export and import settings. So that's a great way to do it. And if you need to start clean, you can restore the defaults to start clean. And then, of course, the save button will save the HTML as it's generated. So you can effectively customize everything. The styling, you can customize the menu size, the header, the footer, the way it looks, the images used, the videos used. It's all customizable, and even the language used, so you can do the syntax of your own design if you want. So this is the Cora page tool in a nutshell.